first thing we can do is work out which pumpkin we want.
Okay.
We'll definitely do the butternut. Yeah.
Okay.
Butternut. But do you want?
Well, what's the difference in the tastes of the pumpkins?
Yeah, this is more like a gem squashy kind of a taste. If that makes sense. The queen of the table. And this is a pumpkin.
More like a butternut.
More like a butternut. Yeah. But in terms of stuffing it, this, I would give this guy a bash.
Okay. Okay.
So before I put my pumpkin in, same as where I do the potatoes, everything, I like to chuck my sticks in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it so it'll still have a lid for itself. So as opposed to cutting it just square across, I'm going to cut at a bit of an angle.
Wow. What a beauty, huh?
Oh, see now the lid can just pop on easily. So the pumpkin is going to be for the vegetarians, well, and the rest of us. But
Hey, listen, the vegetarians had halloumi last night and everybody else ate it, so...
okay, it's the dollop of butter.
A dollop of butter
And when it melts, I'm going to then spread it around a bit.
in the pumpkin. The pumpkin
And then,
in the pot.
then, other than just mixing the butter around later, that's it.
Cool.
Done.
Oh, champagne, guys. I've got champagne.
Josie, we should open champagne.
We really should.
So I've never done this before. Never had breasts like these before.
Josie!
I know this is a children's show.
Children's show. Only got half of you here. Let me get
What do you mean
like
half
this.
of me?
There you go.
Take my whole of me, because I'm very fabulous
Yeah, I've
today.
just got the top off, that's all.
Okay, I've never done this before, so
Okay,
I have to
Josie.
fuck it up completely.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Woo! I did it.
Well, you took the whole lid off.
No, it's meant to.
Meant to. Well done, Josie.
What you meant to do. Did you get that, or were
I
you
did, yeah.
recording?
No, got it.
I did.
Well
Woohoo!
done.
Ah, chicken.
So what I'm going to do is take this guy, pop him in there. I'm going to cover it in a little bit of olive oil. You get a little bit of herbs in here.
Herbs and spices.
Paprika.
You know what we do in my family
Yeah.
is we put a lemon inside the chicken.
It'd be very nice. In fact, we can do that right now.
Because we have lots of lemon. Remember we went and picked lemons the other day.
Yeah, it'd be very nice. I just want to break the cells so the lemon can come through. And that, for want of enough. It's going to keep it a bit moist as well. And add really nice flavour to the bottom of the pot. Okay, I'm going to pop these in, Josie.
Okay. So as long as I don't mind chicken juice on my potato, I'll be okay.
I will do one specially for you, Josie.
It's fine. I was just being high
I'm done.
maintenance. Also done. And how long will that take?
About an hour. So we've got pumpkin going, we've got our chicken ready to go, and then the last thing we're going to do is spinach. So let me get the fire going now,
Okay.
and then we'll do the spinach.
Is that called a queen of the table?
So, yeah.
Sounds very
or a
proper.
Hubbard squash.
A hui squash?
Hubbard.
Hubbard.
Yeah.
What does Hubbard and queen have got to do with one another?
All these fancy names, I had never known. But it's cooking nicely.
Yeah, I can see that. A queen of the table.
I'm even going to put a little hole in her, the curves,
Release some steam.
and some,
Unless then she'll explode.
yeah, pumpkin, everything.
Typical
You
queen.
want to have a peep at the chicken?
I'll peep at anything you show me. Well, not anything.
So theoretically, it should just be roasting quietly on its own. And then
Sounds like it's bubbling away.
definitely life happening down there. And
Ooh, and I
it's
can
seeping
smell it.
nicely. It's lovely.
It's seeping. I don't know if seeping is a good word for cooking.
Okay.
It's seeping nicely.
Our pumpkin here, she'll be going brown. On the
Yeah,
outside
she's
now.
going brown. Let's see.
Look at
Ooh,
that.
she's
Look at that.
she's
Also,
she's what's it
weeping.
called when you sweat but they don't say sweat?
Sweating. Perspiring.
No, they're for women. They call it something.
Oh, I didn't even know the other perspiring was as
No,
as
there's
Ronnie as it got.
it's like blushing but not blushing. It's it'll come to me. And let's see what these little guys are doing.
And those guys need to be turned.
Turned. Ooh, smells good.
Does it?
Mike, last thing of the day. With a babbling brook over there.
Finish off. Yeah, these little worms are loving it, eh?
Yeah, well, if we eat one, we'll never know. That's a caterpillar, that's not a worm. Hello. Mmm, spinach for dinner.
Rough cuts. It's enough. It's literally to line the bottom. There we go. I'm going to pop those on. I'm going to saute those a little bit on the fire. Just want to give it a start.
How's Mary Jane? Or whatever she is.
She's looking sweet, eh?
What's her name?
Hubbard squash.
No,
Queen of the table.
Queen of the table.
Yeah. I think my family
Doesn't look
acquired
very
heirs and
queeny.
graces. No, she's roasted now. Comes a little.
This definitely looks a bit like Jonah. But there's, oh no, that's not Jonah, that's Dylan. Where's Jonah? Jonah! There's Jonah. Hello, my boy, come. No, not you. Not you. Come, Joni. Joni, there's a squash that looks like you. Look. Yes, Jonah. I suppose that's not very appropriate. These are bubbling away. Lovely.
Just going to chop the stalks off.
Okay.
Okay, I'm literally just going to lie it on top of the onions. Not going to mix anything and don't mix it in.
Are we looking at the chicken?
Do you want to have a look?
Yeah. I'm doing a nice drone shot here.
Drone shot. There you go. A little bit more, just a touch. Finish is looking quite nice.
Mmm. Nice, Mike. Guys, we're going to eat soon.